Annie and I are at Atwood Farms.
Finally.
I know, right? Finally, I've been wanting to pick strawberries, and this is probably like one of the last weeks that they're going to have strawberry picking. We're actually here because they're doing BOGO through the end of their strawberry picking season. And then they're also selling pre-picked blueberries. And then in the distance there, you probably can't see, but they have a sunflower field. So we'll probably pick some sunflowers too. So I came here in the fall to take pictures when they were doing their fall festival and had their pumpkin patch and stuff. And I honestly cannot believe how much has changed already. They were still making the slide, and the slide is done. I'll actually take pictures of that after. But just they've expanded so much more up onto the hill. The strawberries are actually far out in the field, as they were telling us. And it's just so much more cleaned up, obviously, because when I was here before, they were, still working on it and trying to expand it into a place where they could hold events and things like that. So pretty impressed with all the work that they've done. Oh yeah, this is the playhouse. They moved it up onto this hill. It used to be way down over there where you can't see, actually next to the slide over there. And then these ones over here are new. This one with the slide and the tractor, those are new. The jumping things are new. Nice and covered so that you can not get all burnt. But yeah, so the sunflowers were there before. Now they're out there past the slide. I'm sure they rotate. Wow, there is like
There's so many.
loads of strawberries. And you can basically right now pick from anywhere. So we'll go find ourselves a quiet spot. All right, we've already filled our, 6-pound bucket, probably. And we only went from like where I am to where she is. down like 2 little rows. There are tons of strawberries left. I'm pretty sure that this might not be the last week then, but the BOGO picking is good through the end of the picking season. And I see why they're doing that, because there are just so many strawberries out here that need to be picked. So we'll probably be back next week. Time for some sunflower picking. Look at the seeds after. I know. To bug you, but what one's this? This one's good. So the sunflowers are either $2 a piece, or if you get the jar, it's $14.95. So come with a couple people, you can share, so it's a better deal. So we're gonna share ours, and then Annie gets to keep the jar. Busy bees. Lots of busy bees. Anna is remaining quite calm. I'm very impressed. Oh, see, they're all facing the sun. There were some really large sunflowers that were dead that had no petals on them. I don't know if anybody else has ever seen where somebody roasted one and then you eat the sunflower seeds like a corn on the cob. Sounds amazing. I think I'm gonna ask them that if we come back next time, if we can pick any of those ones, because I would love to try that. Beautiful flowers. My beautiful giant chest. Lemonade. I don't know where the cornflake pit is. It had like a pit. There's the slide. Connect 4. Kettle corn. Very successful. Got some blueberries too. Can't wait to try those. Oh, yum. Love my daily blueberries. Actually, I think we're gonna go home and try and make some strawberry muffins instead of blueberry muffins.
See how that goes.
Yeah, yum.